Hello everyone and welcome back to my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Thursday 12th of September. Looking at gold, and it's interesting that we've started to see, I did silver earlier, and silver has retreated back to its equivalent uptrend. I drew in this uptrend yesterday as the market just started to tick higher, but it actually formed a fairly solid bull candle yesterday, and that positive move has continued higher today. Yesterday closed at 14.97, dipped back to 14.88, so gave up almost $10 of that rally before finding support and then pulling back higher, and it's now trading up on the day back above 1500. It's back above 1502, which is a near-term pivot, and looking fairly positive on momentum on the hourly chart as well. One week high on stochastics, MACD and RSI on the hourly chart. We've seen a breach of that downtrend. So is this the point at which we start to see the market finding support again? Well, that 1481 support has held. Now basically on our gold analysis, I've sort of turned neutral, following on from the decisive break below that 21-day moving average. Which I think sort of relinquished the bull control, and the breach of this old support at 1517. Now, having broken that, I think that's turned into more of a neutral outlook. But what we see is not a bearish outlook yet, because that 1481 support is held. So trading between 1481 and 1517 or 1515, as I'll show you on the hourly chart, which was that reaction high on Monday. Trading between those levels, I think you're fairly neutral on gold. I think above 1517, which would be above that 21-day moving average again, I think you turn more positive again, more bullish. And this could ultimately just turn out to be a medium term or near to medium term trading range again. But I think we need to see that move above that 1517 before we turn more positive again within this this phase of trading. A failure underneath 1517 and underneath that 21-day moving average, which hasn't really, which was a gauge of support throughout the last few months. If it now turns into a gauge of resistance, then again you need to be a little bit more cautious and turning a bit more negative on a neutral outlook. Below 1481, you turn negative on a medium-term outlook, I think, because that would again that would then complete this as being a top pattern. But this is all sort of hypotheticals at the moment, because as I said, we're trading within this 1481 to 1517 band, which I'm talking about being as a fairly neutral zone. So we've got the ECB decision today, and again, I think gold is going to be a mover on the ECB, and we need to watch out for that this afternoon. But behind that, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos and go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars. Thank you very much, and I'll speak to you soon.